Hi, today I wanted to talk a little bit about student loans and how they impact mortgages and what you qualify for, et cetera. As many of you are aware, student loans have been in a deferred status, meaning no payments were due for the last couple of years as we worked our way through this pandemic. Well, that's all about to change come January 1st. Come January 1st, you're going to start receiving your student loans statements, and they're going to have an actual payment due. And many of my clients utilize what's called an income-based repayment with regards to student loans. So what you're going to want to do is reach out to your student loan servicer and see if you're eligible for an income-based repayment. Sometimes these income-based repayments even have a zero payment associated with them. In other words, they do their calculation, their qualifying. I don't really know how it all works. I got to be honest, but they'll look at it and say, okay, based on what your income level is, you don't have to make any kind of a monthly payment here. And at that point, we can actually utilize that zero payment as long as we get documentation showing it. Now, if you are able to keep your student loan in a deferred status where there's no payment due, then we're going to have to utilize what we have been for the last few years, which is a calculation depending upon the type of loan you do. So Fannie Mae, for example, takes 1% of the balance, and that's what your monthly payment is. FHA and Freddie Mac has us use a 0.5%, and that's what your payment is that we have to use for qualifying. And then VA, finally, they allow us to take the balance times 5% and then divide that by 12, and that's the minimum payment we have to utilize. So I hope you find this information helpful. I'm sure you've got a lot more questions with regards to student loans. So if you're thinking about getting a mortgage, you've got some student loan debt, give us a call. We'll be happy to go through everything and just see what we can do to help you. Have a great day. Thanks.